Did God make that?
Yeah.
What else did he make? Look all around you.
People.
Yep, I saw some people walking on the trail. Yep.
Even the grass in the tree.
Look at that creek, guys.
Hello guys, my name is Sadie.
Uh-huh.
Look at that river over there.
Look at that river. Wow. That's pretty cool, huh? Yeah. Baby, what you see?
I see some cars. I see that big river right here.
Yeah.
Crocodiles are under there.
Crocodiles. Wow. Hey, CJ. Whew. How was it, everybody?
Good.
Y'all have fun?
Yes.
Yeah, get a water break. Little chip break. Sydney, share. Let him open it. There you go. Baby, go sit over there by Sydney.
Where? In the water, look.
You see a turtle? I see him.
Look. I think I see two.
God made turtles?
Yes.
We did rescue a turtle a long time ago. Did God make the flowers and what else did he make? We're talking about the 7 days that God made things. What all did he make?
Trees,
Yep.
humans, soil.
Okay.
He made us rocks,
Uh-huh.
the grass. He made the sky. He made the sun and the sky.
Mm-hmm.
The sun and the moon.
Yep.
And the devil.
And the devil. And the devil. And the rain, yes. To keep everything all nice and green.
And the fish.
Yep.